Hello, this is Joshua Garay, and welcome to the tip of the day. I want to give some advice to 1031 exchange buyers doing a 1031 exchange for the very first time. Two key recommendations that I have for those 1031 exchange buyers are as follows. Number one, make sure you work with an experienced real estate broker on the buy side that's familiar with 1031 exchanges. Don't think that you can do your 1031 exchange alone and go directly to the seller. Ultimately, you will need that real estate broker, not only in the near term, but the long term as well, because I've seen buyers purchase properties where they find tenants and spaces go out of business very quickly, and then they need the help of a real estate broker to re-rent those spaces. Working with a real estate broker is like a marriage. There has to be trust. You want to work with them from the very beginning, not only to help you with the near-term 1031 exchange rules and procedures, but long-term leasing and management of the property as well. The second important item to consider is whether you want to be an active or passive investor. Do you want to own property that requires active management, or do you want to purchase a triple net property or an absolute net property where you don't have to do much, you can sit back, you can collect the rent on a monthly basis, and you can go about and enjoy your life? So I highly recommend working with an experienced 1031 exchange broker to assist you with all these potential items. For more information, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.